So while Warner's was a manufacturing company that brought many innovatively designed garments to women across the world, our final inductee tonight, Wheeler and Wilson / Singer, is notable for what it brought to the home. For more than 150 years, some variation of the company has made affordable sewing machines for both the repair of existing clothing and for the creation of new designs. At the dawn of the 20th century, technology became available that made tissue paper type patterns readily available. For the first time, homemakers could create professionally designed custom clothing. The company's legacy continues today in the Singer brand, perhaps the name most associated today with home sewing and sewing craft.
There was a time when just about every house in America had a Wheeler & Wilson or Singer sewing machine. Formed in 1853, inventor and designer Allen B. Wilson connected with businessman and investor Nathaniel Wheeler, and a beautiful partnership was formed that gave middle-class American households the opportunity to own an affordable, inventive, and reliable sewing machine. A journeyman cabinet maker in Pittsfield, Massachusetts, Wilson envisioned a practical sewing machine for the home. Wilson's machine formed a lock stitch with a curved hook on an arm above the cloth plate. Shortly after his initial invention, Wilson improved the design with a rotating hook which seized the upper thread and threw its loop over a circular bobbin containing the under thread. This simplified the construction of the machine by eliminating the motion of the shuttle and also made for a quieter machine. In 1852, Wilson patented his 4-motion feed, which worked in conjunction with a foot control. The more complicated system greatly enhanced the reliability and flexibility of the machine, opening new possibilities for home seamstresses. Wheeler, a young carriage maker, saw the possibilities of the machine since the industry was at its inception. Investing $160,000, the two moved the company to Bridgeport, Connecticut in 1856. Success was sudden and lucrative. Within 3 years, the company had more than doubled. 10 years after forming, they were a $1 million company. International recognition followed. In 1905, Singer Corporation took over the company and built a second factory in Bridgeport. During World War II, Singer converted their factories to the war effort and continued their government contracts after the war. Cheap electronic models from Asia and Europe depressed the U.S. sewing machine market after the war. Singer moved more fully into the defense industry during the Cold War and became a large defense contractor. Today, the Singer Corporation is part of SVP Worldwide, also owner of the HCC and Husqvarna brands. In 1850, an inventor saw a need for the homeowner, and an investor saw an opportunity. One of the most innovative machines for the home was born with the marriage of their fortunes.
Accepting the award for Wheeler Wilson / Singer is Kimberly Wood and her mother, Magali Kolar. Mrs. Kolar and her late husband, Robert, met while working together at Singer. The Kolar family is a great example of the fact that not only does local manufacturing create industry, they also create families. It is with great pleasure that I formally induct Wheeler Wilson Company / Singer into the American Manufacturing Hall of Fame.